And take a look at this. The first of many cool attractions we're going to see here tonight at the Minnesota Zoo. This is Nature Illuminated, and it's going to be animals that are highly illuminated, from what I understand. I've never been here before. I think it's the first year of it. Thanks to 2020, they're doing something a little different. And here is our first illuminated animal right here. Look at that. Nature Illuminated, you guys. Look at the size of this guy. If you are brand new to this channel, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing. Welcome to another edition of Tommy Travels at Nature Illuminated here at the Apple Valley Zoo. It's Tommy Travels. Come on with me, you guys. Let's go see what there is to see. Look at that, we got Mr. Owl over here. And oh my goodness, we have a huge rabbit. And there are animals that go all the way around this circle. This is the most unique type of a Christmas light attraction that I have ever witnessed so far. Oh, look at that. We have a mama polar bear and her little cub right in her lap. That is so beautiful. And we are now headed into the ocean section of this exhibit, starting with this guy right here, Mr. Penguin. And look at this, my favorite aquarium attraction, the seahorse. Oh my gosh, those are like magical, mythical creatures. I love them. That one is huge though. We have this huge stingray. Look at the size of that tail. At the Minnesota Zoo, you get a chance to pet the stingrays. Oh my gosh. And now we are heading into the tropical forest. Whoa, that is definitely the biggest frog I've ever seen. Look at this guy, just watching over everything. Hello, Mr. Frog. And then, pretty much everybody's favorite, Mr. Sloth. How are you doing there, fella? Just kind of hanging around? Not moving too fast? Merry Christmas, my friend. Merry Christmas. It's just so incredible, all the wide variety of animals that they have available to look at here. Absolutely amazing. And look at this, a macaw. I've been to the bird show here at the Minnesota Zoo, and it really is fun. Look at that. Mr. Macaw. And now here comes the grassland animals. This is just so fun. Checking out all these animals, and you can hear the air compressors keeping them inflated too, some of these. Oh, look at that. Big bison right on the side of the road. That thing is huge. These things really are big. I don't know if it really picks up on camera, but that thing is probably at least 15 feet high. Wow. And Merry Christmas to you! Now just stay on the ground there and don't poop on my car. And that'll be great. That'll be my Christmas present. And look at this. We have a bee getting its pollination on. That is beautiful. Here's a snake coming across our path. But the other thing I want to show you is in the trees out there, they've got a little light show of its own going on to illuminate the area and make it all festive. They're really going above and beyond here, and that is super cool. Look at the snake coming up. Unbelievable. That is the biggest one I've ever seen, that is for sure. Wow. And now we're moving into the temperate forest here at the Minnesota Zoo. Wow, look at that, you guys. Ooh, a huge bear eating a salmon right there in front of us. Unbelievable. They're getting on both sides of the street here, and a bald eagle right down there. This is so cool. If you haven't checked this out at the Minnesota Zoo, you definitely should. It's just wild animals everywhere you look around here. On both sides. And look at the snow monkey. We've got, I think he might be in trouble. I think he might be getting stalked by this guy over here. You better be careful, little guy. Watch out. Look at this guy. Just looking at ya. So awesome. I once caught a fish this big. Oh, and we have a couple timber wolves. Absolutely amazing. Look at those guys howling at the moon. Merry Christmas, Timberwolves. And even another bee getting its nectar on. Hello, Mr. Bee. Thank you for all you do. Well, as we take a look at this wonderful turtle as we enter the Minnesota section of the zoo, I think this is a good place to say if you liked what you saw here today, please go ahead and hit like on my YouTube channel. While you're at it, go ahead and hit subscribe and a little bell notification next to it so you can be the first to know when a new adventure comes out. Thank you guys so much for all of the support that you've given me so far. I hope everyone has a very, very Merry Christmas as we take a little ride down here. Wow, so cool. I hope to catch you on the flip side.